Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty in Costa Rica. Today I have the pleasure of showing you Casa Cielo, perched just above Flamingo and the new marina. This is a really cute 2-bedroom, 2-bath main house with a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment below. Check out on this covered deck, we have incredible views of the brand new Flamingo Marina. You can see the bays of Potrero and you can see the Bay of Flamingo. Modern kitchen with stainless steel appliances and local wood countertops. One of the best features of this home is this outdoor space. Can you imagine enjoying your coffee in the morning or watching the stars at night? Ensuite bathroom with a shower, and these incredible views of the Pacific Ocean. To access the second bedroom, you walk under this covered deck space, and here we have a queen bed, plenty of closet space, an air conditioning unit, and again an ensuite bathroom. Some of the best features of this home is the proximity to Playa Flamingo, Playa Potrero. We are about 2 minutes to banks, restaurants, grocery stores, plenty of water activities and sports. Best of all, I love that you're going to be able to watch the boats come in at night. Located just up the staircase. Down below we have a covered parking area, laundry room, and a brand new 3rd bedroom. This bedroom was just finished and the price includes it being furnished. This bedroom also has its ensuite. It has a skylight. You can see the ocean from the shower. Casa Cielo is only a 3-minute drive to this incredible beach, Flamingo Beach. It's a white sand beach where there's plenty of restaurants and activities to be held. This water is great for swimming and awesome for boogie boarding. It's also known for its fishing and its boating. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching today. Please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on my WhatsApp. Have a wonderful day.